Bonus fact: the hottest planet in our solar system is 450 degrees Celsius. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system and has an average surface temperature of around 450 degrees Celsius. Did you know that Venus is the closest planet to the Sun? That is Mercury. You'd think that Mercury would then be the hottest, but Mercury has no atmosphere, which regulates temperature, resulting in big fluctuations. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Unknown Rumours, where we are going to explore the 11 amazing facts about space that you didn't know before. Space is amazing, the sheer vastness of it, along with the trillions upon trillions of objects in the many billion galaxies of the universe, is almost incomprehensible to the human brain. So today we are noting down 11 amazing facts about space, but do watch the video till the end, because the number one fact will blow you away. Fact 11. Space is completely silent. There is no atmosphere in space, which means that sound has no medium or way to travel to be heard. Astronauts use radios to stay in communication while in space, since radio waves can still be sent and received. Fact 10. There is floating water in space. Astronomers have found a massive water vapor cloud which holds 140 trillion times the mass of water in the Earth's oceans, somewhere around 10 billion light years away, making it the largest discovery of water ever found. Fact 9. The Sun's mass takes up 99.86% of the solar system. The Sun accounts for 99.86% of the mass in our solar system, with a mass of around 330,000 times that of Earth. Did you know that the Sun is made up of mostly hydrogen, 3/4 worth, with the rest of its mass attributed to helium? If the Sun had a voice, would it be high and squeaky from all that helium? I don't know, maybe. Fact 8. One day on Venus is longer than 1 year. Venus has a slow axis rotation which takes up 243 Earth days to complete its day. The orbit of Venus around the Sun is 225 Earth days, making a year on Venus 18 days less than a day on Venus. Fact 7. If two pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they will permanently bond. This incredible fact is also known as cold welding, and it happens because the atoms of two pieces of metal have no way of knowing they are separate. This doesn't happen on Earth because of the air and water found between the pieces. Fact 6. Neutron stars can spin 600 times per second. Neutron stars are the densest and tiniest stars in the known universe, and although they only have a radius about 10 kilometers or 6 miles, they may have a mass of a few times that of the Sun. They can rotate at up to 6 times per second after they are born from a core collapse supernova star explosion, and have been known to spin as fast as 600 to 712 times per second because of their physics. Fact 5. The largest known asteroid is 965 km or 600 miles wide. Discovered by Italian astronomer Giuseppe Piazzi in 1801, the dwarf planet Ceres was the first and the largest object to be considered an asteroid. It is located in the asteroid belt between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter and accounts for 33% of the entire belt's mass. Fact 4. Nobody knows how many stars are in space. The sheer size of space makes it impossible to accurately predict just how many stars we have. Right now, scientists and astronomers use the number of stars only within our galaxy, the Milky Way, to estimate. That number is between 200 and 400 billion stars, and there are estimated to be billions of galaxies, so the stars in space really are completely uncountable. Oh, so many. Fact 3. There is a volcano on Mars 3 times the size of Everest. At 600 km wide and 21 km high, Olympus Mons is a volcano on Mars that may still be active according to scientists. It is the tallest peak of any planet. However, Rhea Silvia's central peak on the asteroid Vesta is taller at 22 kilometers. Fact 2. There may be a planet made out of diamonds. As space facts go, this is pretty impressive, I know, right? Pretty unbelievable too. Research by Yale University scientists suggest that a rocky planet called 55 Cancri, and which has a radius twice the size of Earth's and a mass 8 times greater. It mostly likely have a surface made up of graphite and diamond. It's 40 light years away but visible to the naked eye in the constellation of Cancer. Before we head to number 1, please do leave a like on the video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting, weird and amazing facts which will make you more knowledgeable as a person. And also do turn on the bell notification icon. So go on, subscribe. Done? Alright, moving on to number 1. Finally, fact 1. The footprints on the moon will be there for 100 million years. Oh, wow. The moon has no atmosphere, which means there is no wind to erode the surface and no water to wash the footprints away. This means the footprints of the Apollo astronauts, along with the spacecraft prints, rover prints, and discarded materials will be there for millions of years. Wow. So that's it for the video. Stay tuned as we upload at least 2 videos weekly. Please do like the video, leave a comment on what you want us to make a video about, and you should have done it by now, that is subscribing to us. Also, we are available on Patreon. We will be releasing bonus facts or other informations on Patreon along with our YouTube videos, so do support us and check those out. Finally, thank you and may peace be upon you.